Watching. Hello, North Myrtle Beach, zip code 29582. This is Vicki Harvey with your August 2024 local market update for single family residential, and it continues to be good news. We do have one little it's so August is this bottom line right here. 685 528 was the average sales price. We are down from last year at 725 934. However, the rest of it is all good news. And the price per square foot is up, so that's good news. So days on market went down from 93 to 93 from 129. This is the good news. Average price per square feet went up from 263 in 2023 to 270 in August 2024. We have a lot more supply of inventory because guess what? Everybody's trying to sell their home while prices are high. So it's still a good time. Look at the difference. This will show you. Uh, August of this year, 224 active listings compared to 140. That tells you people are getting out of their homes. If you're downsizing, it's a good time to put some cash in your pocket. So 48 pending sales compared to 61, 48 closing compared to 59. So if you're thinking about selling, please give me a call. I'd love to help. 843 222 780. And thanks for watching.